Let me take you back to one of the most intense, unforgettable moments of my life. A moment that was full of passion and connection, but also full of silence, confusion, and wonder. It was late in the evening, the kind of night where time seems to stand still, where the world outside fades into nothingness. We had just shared something incredible, raw, passionate, and intimate. His touch had lingered on me, his scent intoxicating. As we laid there, our hearts still racing, I couldn't help but notice the shift in the room. The love, the desire, the passion. It all felt so alive, so powerful. But then, the silence. That awkward silence after everything had happened. The kind where both of you are lying there, not sure what comes next. I remember looking at him, wondering what he was thinking, and he looked at me, just as unsure. And in that moment, I realized that after intimacy, there's something deeper at play, something that goes beyond the physical. And that's when I started to ask myself, what happens next? How do you keep the connection alive? How do you handle him in a way that doesn't just satisfy his needs, but deepens the bond between you two, creating something real and lasting? Today, I'm going to reveal 10 powerful, seductive, and intimate moves a woman can make immediately after her man releases in bed. Moves that will not only keep the passion alive, but deepen your emotional connection and ensure that your bond remains unbreakable. 1. Stay close. Let the tension build. Let the tension. First, don't rush to pull away. Stay close, not just physically, but emotionally. After a powerful, passionate connection, the most seductive thing you can do is stay in the moment. Let the tension linger. Feel his heartbeat against yours. The stillness between you two speaks volumes. It says, I'm here with you, and I don't want this moment to end. It's in that silence, in those moments when your bodies are close, that true intimacy blooms. The touch of your skin, the rhythm of your breaths. It's an unspoken language. This is where connection deepens. Stay in that space with him for as long as you can, letting the warmth of your body and the tension in the air speak louder than words. Have you ever stayed close to him after intimacy and felt that unspoken bond? How did it make you feel? Let me know in the comments below. Let's share our experiences. 2. Whisper sweet, seductive words. Now whisper sweet words to him. This isn't about casual conversation. This is about letting him know without a doubt how much he means to you. Say things like, you make me feel so alive, or there's no one else I'd rather be with. And the words you say, whispered in that intimate moment, can ignite a new level of desire between you. Words are powerful. They have the ability to shape the mood and emotions. When you whisper to him in that tender moment, it's more than just affection. It's your way of keeping him craving you, keeping him feeling desired. Those words linger with him, staying in his mind long after the moment is over. What's the most seductive thing someone has whispered to you in an intimate moment? Share your thoughts below. Let's get real about how words can stir emotions. 3. Gaze into his eyes. Let the connection intensify now. Make eye contact. And not just quick glances or casual looks. I mean deep, soulful gazing. Look into his eyes and let him see everything you're feeling. Let him see the desire, the love, the connection. Eye contact after intimacy is like a powerful magnet, pulling you both into a deeper, rawer connection. It's not just about the body, it's about the soul. When you gaze into his eyes, you're communicating something much deeper than words could ever express. It's about saying, I'm here with you in every moment, in every way. Eye contact in these moments allows you to connect in a way that nothing else can, without distractions, just raw, unfiltered emotion. Have you ever been lost in his eyes after intimacy, feeling like you're the only two people in the world? Share that experience below. Let's get real about what those moments feel like. 4. Caress his skin. Let your touch speak. After the intensity fades, touch him gently. Run your fingers over his skin. Trace the lines of his chest, his arms, the curve of his face. Touch is everything. It's not about rushing or trying to do anything. It's about letting your hands do the talking, expressing your affection and desire through each slow, tender movement. There's something incredibly seductive about a gentle touch. The way it says, "I still want you, I still desire you." Touch him as if you're showing him that the moment didn't end, that it's still alive in both of you. So what's your favorite way to touch him after intimacy? Is it gentle, slow, or something more playful? Share with me in the comments. 5. Compliment him. Make him feel like a king now. Compliment him, not just about the physical act, but about everything that makes him who he is. Compliment his mind, his heart, his efforts. Compliment how he makes you feel, how his presence in your life changes everything. A compliment after intimacy isn't just about making him feel good. It's about making him feel like the most important person in your world. Compliments are a way to remind him that he is desired, loved, and respected in ways beyond the physical. It's a gesture that goes deeper than surface level. It affirms the connection, the love, and the partnership between you two. What's the most meaningful compliment you've received from your partner? How did it make you feel? Let's talk about it in the comments. After intimacy, it's important to offer him comfort. It could be as simple as offering him a drink, wrapping him in a blanket, or just holding him close. It's the small, caring gestures that make the biggest impact. It shows him you're not just in this for the physical, but you genuinely care for him. Emotionally, mentally, and physically, caring for him after intimacy creates a sense of security. It lets him know that you see him as more than just a lover, but as someone you want to nurture and protect. These gestures build the foundation of trust and emotional intimacy in your relationship. 7. Create a sense of security, reassure him. After intimacy, a woman's ability to create security for her partner is essential. Hold his hand, stroke his back, give him a reassuring touch. Remind him that he's not alone in this relationship. Reassurance is a powerful tool in emotional connection. Security doesn't just come from what you say, it comes from how you make him feel. When you provide that sense of emotional security, you ensure that he feels safe, loved, and desired long after the intimacy is over. How do you create a sense of security for your partner after intimacy? Let's talk about it in the comments. Share your tips with us. 8. Reflect on the moment, share your thoughts. After intimacy, take a moment to reflect together. Talk about the moment. Share what you felt, what you loved about it, what made you feel even more connected. It's these reflections that can strengthen the bond. They show him that you care enough to process the moment, to keep it alive in both of your minds. Reflection doesn't just deepen the emotional connection, it reaffirms the bond you've shared. It shows him that the moment wasn't just fleeting, it's something worth holding on to. What's the most meaningful reflection you've had after intimacy? Let me know in the comments. So after intimacy, how do you show him you care? What's the most comforting thing you've done for your partner? Let's talk in the comments below. There you have it, 8 intimate, seductive moves that can deepen your emotional connection and ensure your bond stays strong after intimacy. Remember, it's not just about physical pleasure. It's about nurturing that emotional connection, keeping the passion alive, and making him feel desired and loved in the most intimate ways. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your go-to moves after intimacy? What makes you feel connected to your partner in ways that go beyond the physical? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's continue to build deeper, more passionate relationships. Until next time, stay connected, stay passionate, and keep cherishing the love you share.